In this video, we're going to take a closer look at the web widget creator. So I'm going to click that on the left navigation menu, and here we are on the Build a Custom Web Widget page. Now, a web widget is a simple sign-up form that allows you to have contacts fill out this information and subscribe over the web to join your contact list. So you can create these forms and post them on your websites, on your Facebook fan pages, put them on as a link in your email campaigns, and allow your contacts to subscribe to your account in a variety of different ways and through a variety of different channels. So to create a widget, the first step is going to be to choose whether you're going to allow your contacts to choose which group they join, or whether you're just going to select the groups to which the contacts are added when they subscribe. So if you choose yes, then you'll be able to select the groups that you want them to opt into, and then they'll be presented with these groups when they're signing up to receive the messages. Now, I don't want to use this in this example because I want everyone to go into the new opt-ins group, and so I'm going to use the no option. So they're not going to be able to choose which group they join, and I'm going to select the group that I want them to be added to when they enter. Now, moving on to the next option, which is fields to display, you're going to see that phone number, first name, last name, and email address are the available fields. Now, these are going to be what your contacts fill out to subscribe to your account. Now, phone number is required, so that's not something that you can turn on or off, but first name, last name, and email can absolutely be enabled or disabled. And so if you want to capture all the data that you can enable first name, last name, and email, and this way your contacts will need to enter all of their details to subscribe via the widget. Now moving on to the next option, which is the sign up widget header. This is going to be what the contact first sees on the widget to entice them to sign up and subscribe to your text messaging. So I'm going to go ahead, I'm going to type out my sign up widget header now. And after composing the sign up header, I'm going to compose the successful sign up header. And this is going to be what the contact sees after they successfully submit their information and add themselves to your account or opt in. And so you can just thank them for joining and tell them to stay tuned for their first promotion. Now, if you are going to entice them with that type of instant promotion deal, you can use the optional automatic text message reply, and you simply enable that. And then you can compose a message of up to 160 characters to thank them for joining and maybe even send them their first text coupon. And so you can compose a coupon message, so this text to redeem your 20% discount, and that'll be immediately sent out to the contact once they subscribe or once they opt in via that widget. Now, I'm not going to actually use this today, so I'm going to disable and then minimize that up there. Now, in the step 2, we're going to need to choose the type of widget that we're going to create at this point. So the 3 different types of widgets that we offer are a hosted widget, an embeddable widget, or a Facebook widget. So the hosted widget is probably the most popular. It's going to be actually hosted on our server, and we keep an actual copy of it for you to copy and paste later. It's going to be used as your pop-up widget. It'll be used as the widget link, and it's a quick thing that you can tweet to Twitter or you can post to Facebook, and it's a really great option there. The embeddable widget is for the HTML fans out there. You can take the widget, you can break it down and customize it to look and feel exactly how you want it to so that it can match the look and feel of your website and actually be embedded on that page. And the Facebook widget is going to be exclusively for your Facebook fan page. You'll download the Facebook iframe app, you'll copy and paste the coding for the Facebook widget into that app, and then you'll have a tab on your Facebook fan page for people to actually subscribe to your widget. Now, I'm going to choose the hosted widget option, and I'm going to actually have to create a widget name that we can save it under, and I'm going to choose customers. 1, and then I can choose a button that we offer, or I can even enter my own image or the URL for that image in this box here. Now you get to preview the widget and you can see what the widget will look like. You know, it's very simple, but it's very effective. It's going to tell people what they need to do, enter their information, and when they submit it, they'll be added to the account and they'll get the other confirmation message. And if I have the auto reply, they'll get the text message as well. So that looks good to me. I'm going to go ahead and create the widget by clicking the Create Widget button. Now, as soon as I create that widget, we'll see here that the coding is generated below. Now, I can copy and paste this into my website, and the pop-up widget will be showing with this button where I place that code. I can share it to my Facebook or my Twitter feed, and I can even copy and paste this URL into an email, and that's going to be like a clickable link in that email so that people can click that link, fill out the information, and then subscribe to your list that way. Now, you can also create a QR code for the widget, and that's very popular these days. People can scan this, and their phone will automatically take them to the widget. It's a 3D barcode. It's a great option for you to use there. So that about covers the widget. Be sure to check out the keywords as well as manually adding contacts to see the other ways in which contacts can be added, and you can add contacts to your account. Thanks for watching.